Hello student, Hemant sir is here again. So, I am welcoming you in our YouTube online channel. So, we have already understood how to solve the quadratic equations. So, we have understood first to solve the quadratic equation with the help of completing square method. Then, after we have understood how to solve the quadratic equation with the help of factorization method. And today we are going to understand to solve the quadratic equation with the help of formula method. So formula method, that means we have already the formula, thus we had to put the values and solve accordingly. Okay, so we have formula for solving the quadratic equation, and which is, see, x equals to, x is the variable of the quadratic equation. Okay, so x equals to, we have minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula we had to apply to solve the quadratic equation. So let understood the standard form of quadratic equation. We know the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So here we have a that we are using in our formula. Here we have b, here we are using minus b, and here b square in the form of. Then we have c and we are using over here. So such quadratic equation we can solve by using this formula. That's why we are saying it is the formula method. So first example that we are going to solve, which is given in your textbook page number 40. So the example says m square minus 14m, m square minus 14m plus 13 equals to 0. So we have m square minus 14m plus 13 equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Why this is quadratic equation? We have the value of a is 1. That means the coefficient of coefficient of m is 1, means it is not equals to 0, and the maximum power of the equation we have 2. That means it is the quadratic equation. So now we have to solve. So solution. So what is our quadratic equation? We have m square minus 14m plus 13 equals to 0. Here we have a equals to 1. Then we have b equals to minus 14. Just you have to identify your values of a, b and c. So here we have b equals to minus 14 and c equals to, we have 13. So we have written over here 13. So we have to use formula now. Formula. See, here we have x. That's why we are in our standard form of quadratic equation we have chosen x. That's why we have chosen here root is x. But in quadratic equation we have m. So we have to write m equals to. M is the root of quadratic equation. So m equals to, we can write minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. So when हम क्या करेंगे, we will derive the value of b square minus 4ac first. So then we can solve easily. So derive the value of, therefore we have b square minus 4ac. Okay, so हम पहले इसकी वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे, then we will put here, then we can solve. Because अगर हम पूरे को लेकर अगर हम solve करेंगे, so this portion we have to write again and again, so the question will become lengthy. Okay, so that's why the solution will become lengthy and will take more space. That's why we have to solve this portion first. Then we will place the value of b square minus 4ac here. Then we will solve accordingly. Okay, so what is b square minus 4ac? So what is b? B here we have minus 14. So we will write minus 14 square because we have b square. और b की वैल्यू कितनी है -14, सो हम लिखेंगे -14 का स्क्वायर, देन वी हैव -4 इंटू a, वी हैव a इज 1, सो 1, c इज 13, तो c इज 13, सो द स्क्वायर ऑफ 14 इज 196 minus 4 ones is 4, 4 threes are 52, is 52. So if we will solve, 6 minus 2 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4, and here we have 1. Therefore we have derived b square minus 4ac for this equation is 144. Okay, so now we have to apply the formula. Okay, so we have formula m equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we have to put the values in formula. Therefore m equals to, what is b? b is minus 14, so we have to write minus 14. See, we have minus b, so माइनस हमने लिख लिया और b की वैल्यू है -14, so we have to write inside the bracket. Then we have plus minus root b square minus 4ac की वैल्यू हमने अभी कैलकुलेट किया है, that is 144, so हम यहाँ लिखेंगे 144 डिवाइड बाय 2 इंटू a. what is a? a is 1, so we have written हुआ 1. so m equals to, अब हम सॉल्व करेंगे, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, तो हम लिखेंगे 14, देन वी हैव प्लस माइनस, यू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ रूट 144, सो 144 को मैं ऐसा लिख सकते हैं रूट 12 इंटू 12, बिकॉज 12 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है 44, और वी कैन राइट रूट 12 स्क्वायर, सो 12 इंटू 12 मीन्स 12 का स्क्वायर, सो स्क्वायर से ये स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल, सो आंसर क्या बचेगा 12, दैट मीन्स रूट 144 की वैल्यू कितनी है 12, सो वी हैव राइट 12 हियर, डिवाइड बाय 2 इंटू 1 मीन्स 2, सो m इक्वल्स टू, सो अब हम क्या लेंगे, एक बार लेंगे पॉजिटिव, एक बार लेंगे निगेटिव, देन वी विल गेट आवर आंसर्स. सो हम इसको दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर देंगे, ठीक है. सो टेकिंग positive sign, so what we will get here, we will get m equals to 14 plus, see plus ले रहे ना, so plus 12 divide by 2, so m equals to 14 plus 12 is 26, so 26 divided by 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2. so अब हम सॉल्व करेंगे, so 2 1s is 2 and 2 3s is 6, so m हमारा फर्स्ट रूट निकल गया और वो कितना है 13, सो फर्स्ट रूट वे है ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेटेड. नाउ टेकिंग नेगेटिव साइन, सो टेकिंग नेगेटिव साइन, सो नेगेटिव लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा m इक्वल्स टू 14 माइनस 12 डिवाइड बाई 2, सो m इक्वल्स टू 14 माइनस 12 इज 2, सो 2 डिवाइड बाई 2, सो m इक्वल्स टू 2 and 2 will get cancelled once, so m equals to 1. So see, we have the values of the quadratic equation, that is the root. Okay, so we have to write the result now. So what will be result? So result will be the roots of quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? m square minus 14m plus 13 equals to 0 is m equals to, in bracket we have to write 13 and 1. So this is the answer. So by solving questions by using formula method, okay, is very simple. So this is our first problem of your exercise, no, not from exercise, it is from the example which is given in your textbook. So on that basis you have to solve few more examples regarding the formula method. Okay, so if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot. So now we will solve the second problem of exercise, not in exercise, it is in example which is given in your textbook. Okay, so we have the formula, we have the equation, so we have to identify the values of a, b and c coefficient. So solution, we have the quadratic equation here. So we know here a equals to we have 1, then b equals to we have 10 and c equals to we have 2. So we have a, b and c. So now the formula, what is formula? It is, see here x we have the root, that means we have take x equals to. In previous example we have taken m because here instead of x m was given. Okay, so we have written over there m equals to, but here we have x, so we have to write x equals to. So x equals to, we have formula minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so what we will do first, we will calculate the value of b square minus 4ac. Okay, so therefore b square minus 4ac, what is b? It is 10, so we have to write square of 10 minus 4 into, what is a? We have 1, so we have to write 1 into c, we have 2, so we have written 2. So square of 10 is 100, square of 10 is 100 minus 4 ones is 4 and 4 twos are 8. Okay, so if we will subtract 8 from the 100, we will get 92. So here we have value of b square minus 4ac is 92. So we will apply the whole formula now. So we have x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x equals to, we have sign minus, what is b? B is 10, so we have written here, we have to write 10 plus minus root, see b square minus 4ac we have derived the value and which is 92, so we have to write here 92 divide by 2 into, what is a? Here we have 1, so we have to write 1. So x equals to, what we'll do, we will simplify this 92 first. So 92 को हम simplify करेंगे, how? This is the process 92. So we will divide this by 2. So 2 fours is 8. Then here we have 1, so the 2 will become 12. So 4 6 is 12. Now again we can divide by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So here we have minus 10 plus minus. So to 92 we can write, or here 92 equals to, we can write 23 into 2 into 2. We can write 2 into 2 into 23. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 23 divide by 2 into 1 is 2. So x equals to minus 10 plus minus. So can we write 2 into 2, that means square of 2. So we had to write square of 2 into 23 divide by 2. So we can write individually here. So we can write x equals to minus 10 plus minus root 2 square into root 23 divide by 2. हमने इनको individually लिख लिया. Okay, now this 2 and this power of 2, that is square, and square root will get cancelled. So what we will get now? We will get x equals to minus 10 plus minus 2 root 23 divided by 2. So here in 10, what is 10? It is 2 into 5. So we have to take common from here. So x equals to, we can write 10 as 2 into minus 5 plus minus 2 root 23 divided by 2. देखो 2 इंटू -5 इज -10। हमने बस 10 को कन्वर्ट किया है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ -10 को कन्वर्ट किया है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 2 इंटू -5, दैट इज द सेम। वाई वी आर डूइंग दिस? बिकॉज वी हैव टू टेक कॉमन फ्रॉम हियर एंड हियर। ओके, दोनों में दो क्या है? कॉमन है, सो वी हैव टू टेक कॉमन आउटसाइड। सो वी हैव टू सॉल्व फर्दर। So taking 2 common, so what we can write? X equals to 2, in bracket we have -5, we have -5 plus minus we have √23 डिवाइड बाय 2। सी यहाँ का भी 2 और यहाँ का भी 2 हमने क्या ले लिया? कॉमन ले लिया है, सो कॉमन बाहर निकाल दिया और हमने एज इट इज़ बाकी के जो नंबर्स है वो लिख दिए। अब ये 2 से ये 2 विल गेट कैंसल, सो हमारे पास अब क्या बच गया? x इक्वल्स टू -5 plus minus √23. Okay, so once we will take positive sign and then we will take negative sign, we will get 2 roots of the quadratic equation. So हमने इसको दो पार्ट में अगेन डिवाइड कर दिया। अब हम लिखेंगे व्हाट? टेकिंग पॉजिटिव साइन, टेकिंग पॉजिटिव साइन। सो अब पॉजिटिव साइन लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? x इक्वल्स टू -5 प्लस √23. So this is our first root of quadratic equation. Then taking negative sign. So x equals to -5 minus √23. Okay, this is our second root of the quadratic equation. So we have the answer because we have the both root of the quadratic equation. That means we have the answer, so we have to write result now. So result, so what will be result? The roots of quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? X square plus 10x plus 2 equals to 0 is x equals to, what is the root? We have -5 plus √23 and -5 minus √23 is our answer. So likewise you have to solve the further problems with the help of this formula in the same way. Okay, so if you want to write, you can take a screenshot or you can write from here only. So here we have completed today's session. We have solved 2 problems on the basis of formula method. Okay, so on that basis you have to solve few problems which are given in your exercise 2.4. Okay, so as much as numericals you can solve from the exercise, you can solve, which is homework for you, and the rest we will complete in tomorrow's session. So tomorrow we are going to complete this exercise, so for that you have to solve the homework which is given in your exercise 2.4. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।